Hey everybody, how's it going? So, here's what's up. Headphone users beware. And that's cute. Didn't realize something came unhooked. Anyways, I've got here a carbon monoxide detector that's based on some internet searching, I believe is about 20 years old. And my grandmother wants to keep it and put it upstairs, which I say is a bad idea. So, to support my argument, I want to test it. In order to test it, I have to get this closer. Stupid zoom. Now, especially where I've got a check engine light on and the truck isn't running quite properly, I'm more likely to get a carbon monoxide reading. She said in all the years that they've had it, it's never gone off, which is another concerning fact. Come on. It's a mess in here. Very big mess. I'll clean it someday. So, what I figured I would do is stick it in a bucket. It's plugged in. Still powers up. And when you hit the test button, it will beep. I'm going to pull up a little more. Okay. Now, I'm going to hold it like this. Headphone users beware, just in case. So far, it's exactly what I thought. The damn thing does not work. Inside this bucket, being a small space, it should be... Oh, jeez. Yeah, it should be containing it. Therefore... Oops. Therefore, putting a very high level of carbon monoxide into an extremely small space. Yep, nothing. Who knows? Maybe this unit didn't work since it was brand new. But now we know that this does not work. Anyways, thanks for watching. Feel free to leave comments if you have them, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.